It's Wednesday the 27th. Always takes me a minute. You'd think I'd figure that out before I got on here, right? That would mean I'd have to plan ahead. I'm much more seat of the pants. Can you tell? Got this book in, 60 quick crochet projects for beginners. Perfect for Christmas. It's coming along. This was written for Pacific, which is a yarn made by Cascade. I do not carry that yarn, but it goes everything from a worsted weight up to a bulky weight. So we can certainly substitute yarns without a problem for all these wonderful projects. And let's just glance. There's shawls, there's a pillow, there's a pocketbook, there's blankets, baby blankets, a pocket, another satchel, a basket, scarves, fingerless mitts, hats, another hat, all kinds of projects, quick and not so quick. There's another basket. So lots of good projects. I think you will love it. It is $19.99. Perfect for Christmas. Get it now. Get your yarn. Be ready. That's all what I'm trying to help you guys do. It's going to be here before we know it. And excuse me, this coming Sunday is October. Yes, it's October. September is waning quickly, for sure. I don't think I have anything else for this evening. Something new will come in tomorrow, I'm sure, and we'll have a good chat about it. It's social knitting tonight, so the gang is arriving, and they'll have a fun time this evening. If you want to be social and have fun with us, come knit and crochet or do whatever you want. Come and join us. Remember, the first Wednesday, which is next Wednesday, is bingo, right? It's always fun from 6 to 7. Lots of yarn prizes. It's a good thing. All right. I think that's it for now. I will see you tomorrow.